In the matter of the inquest on the body of Jaimie Joseph Allen Cox, deceased white male age 30, held at Rockford on the 16th day of August 2018. This is neither a civil nor a criminal trial procedure, merely an inquest into his death. We, the undersigned jurors, sworn to inquire into the death of Jaimie Joseph Allen Cox, on oath to find that he came to his death due to multiple injuries sustained in a motor vehicle crash. On Sunday, November 5th, 2017, Jaimie Cox was involved in an incident which led to his death. The incident occurred at the intersection of Turner Street and Dawn Avenue, Rockford, Winnebago County, Illinois. An investigation revealed that on the above date at 1:03 a.m., police officer Jaimie Cox called in a traffic stop at the corner of East State Street and Dawn Avenue. At 1:11 a.m., he requested another unit, and a few seconds later, he radios, "He's running." Multiple continued attempts to contact Officer Cox were unsuccessful. The Rockford Police Department's responding units arrived to find an unoccupied police car located at the site of the original traffic stop. It was only a few minutes before they located a crash scene at the Unitarian Universal Church, 4848 Turner Street. Officer Cox was found lying unresponsive on the pavement. After performing chest compressions and assessing his extensive injuries, officers determined they did not wish to wait for medical personnel. Officer Cox was transported by squad car to OSF St. Anthony Medical Center due to its proximity and the level 1 trauma status. Jaimie Joseph Allen Cox was pronounced deceased at 3:30 a.m. on Friday, November 5th, 2017. An autopsy was deemed necessary. The major findings from the autopsy were multiple injuries due to a motor vehicle accident. Toxicological tests that were performed revealed positive results for caffeine, cotinine, lidocaine, and amphetamines. Further investigation revealed that on Sunday, November 5th, 2017, Officer Cox had initiated a traffic stop involving 1994 Chevrolet S10 white pickup truck. The investigation revealed that the driver of the truck, Eddie Patterson, provided a false name to Officer Cox. After providing his real name, Mr. Patterson's license rendered revoked. Officer Cox had removed a pair of handcuffs to place Mr. Patterson under arrest. During this time, the suspect, Mr. Patterson, drove off in his pickup truck with Officer Cox caught in the vehicle. The involved truck collided with a tree 2 blocks north from where the original stop was made. Further investigation and findings by the Winnebago-Boone County Integrity Task Force show evidence confirming that Officer Cox was inside the vehicle during the crash. Rockford Police Department's traffic reconstruction team conducted a thorough analysis of the crash. It was determined that Mr. Patterson's truck was traveling at a speed of approximately 58.28 miles per hour at the time of the impact with the tree. Members of the jury, this constitutes the evidence available in the case. It will now be your duty to deliberate your findings and, if possible, arrive at a verdict in the manner of Jaimie Cox's death. Whether you deem it to be accidental, suicidal, homicidal, natural causes, or if you cannot reach a verdict, you may rule his death as undetermined. Jury, do you guys have any questions?
No.
Family, do you guys have questions? No. Okay. Have you reached a verdict?
Yes, we have. After review of all documents and a discussion amongst the jury, we've determined the cause and manner of death of Jaimie Cox to be a homicide.
The jury rules that Jaimie Joseph Allen Cox came to his death by homicide. That's the verdict. I want to thank you guys for coming and the reading. And then we can go ahead and step out here.